just begun. Party all night until we see the sun. Call up the plug, roll the 3-5 in the blunt. Done Julio, I can taste it on my
Jamaica just landed. Currently 1:17 p.m. We are behind back home, but I'm ready. Hand me the drinks now. Hand me the drinks now. Not gonna bore y'all in this vlog. All y'all gonna see is the fun stuff, literally.
party, party, party. Yeah, we finna have a time.
Bounce we go. Bounce we go. Bounce we go.
Todd, can you play that again?
Also ATL. Also ATL. Also ATL. Also ATL.
Let me tap that dunk.
ATL. Also ATL. Also ATL. Also ATL. Also ATL. Also ATL. Also baby. Also ATL. Also baby. Also ATL. Also baby. Also ATL. Also
Let me tap that dunk. Let me tap that dunk.
Drinking again. We can't stop drinking. Drinking again. 4 shots. 4. Tea for me. Tea for me. Thank you. We're gonna need a mixed drink after that.
I want a sex on the beat.
Sex on the beat. I done took so many shots, I don't know what the number is. For my YouTube. My vlog real quick. Good morning vlog. It's officially Friday the 8th. Last night I wouldn't be able to tell you what happened after that last clip. Just know we was in bed by 10 o'clock last night. I just thank God for my bestie and my mom and my auntie. That's all I have to say because my God, we was just drinking. We gotta get through today.
We gotta fight back.
We gotta fight back. We got too much stuff to do today. But y'all, this is the outfit that we working with. You know, we got the Jamaica colors on. Alright, y'all, look, this is how you know it's bad. Y'all see my side? Y'all see that whole lot right there? That's a whole bruise from what? I don't know. But my bestie got her Jamaica on.
Period.
Tea.
Yeah.
But y'all, it was a bad night. We didn't even make it. We didn't go nowhere last night. We didn't go nowhere last night.
Alright, check. So we in Jamaica.
We in Jamaica.
Yeah, man, doing 876 tour here, checking in real quick. We're about to do this fun-filled day of excursions. River rafting and the party boat. Alright, so you guys tune in for this one.
Tune in.
Ready? Alright, so check. So we at the river rafting now, right?
The river rafting.
Yeah, I'm gonna be hosting this vlog. So we at the river rafting, come here. We're gonna be having a vibe today, you know what I mean? It's the before we're gonna hear the after when they get back, so.
Right. Hey.
That's what's up.
I got a happy birthday one. Big birthday, big Leo, period. You see me? Real bougie. Got happy birthday up there because it's my birthday.
Like somebody's taking pictures. Shut it down. her, touch her. That lady over there. Hi, how you doing? What's your name? Where you from?
Thank you.
From DC. What's your
Good morning, guys. We got Raquel. Oh, you have
We about to drink.
We about to drink. It's 9:49. Nothing crazy though, guys. I learned my lesson from Thursday to not drink that much or mix. But we better get something to drink. Mind them sitting over there. My voice is leaving me. So we got.
Yes, please.
This is good.
Pretty good. Look, it matches your outfit.
Cheers, vlog. You know, y'all got me a coconut with my name up there. Who you know? We finna do jet cars. Jet cars. The green one over there. Say what's up to my vlog.
Oh, what's up?
You banging blood rolling 60. Pass the reposado. If he looking your way, then he is not my hoe. Off the dun, I go crazy till I'm psycho. Call the DUI, but it's okay. I got Geico. I drive the boat, these bitches follow. Fucked around and test my ex. Oops, it was a typo. Shake, booty shake like a maraca. You ain't throwing ass, what the fuck you want? Yeah, we bout to have fun. You know summer just begun. Party all night until we see the sun. Call up the plug, roll the 3-5 in the blunt. Done Julio, I can taste it on my tongue.
Always feel like there would be something you got. Obvious, pretty. Heard that you're a student working weekends in the city. Trying to take you out, girl. You're not too busy. There's nothing wrong. Write this little song for me to get ready to. Put those on your heels on and work it, girl. Let that mirror show you what you're doing. Put that stress on and work it, kinda vicious, like somebody's taking things. Shut it down. Shut it down. You be the baddest girl around. They know, yes, they know. Shut it down. Shut it down. You be the baddest girl around.
He's cutting my coconut, y'all. Machete. Ooh.
Huh? You lost all, brother. Hey.
Show him how it's done.
Last doll.
Show him how it's done.
Last doll, brother. That's cool.
You not scared you gonna cut your finger?
Last doll, brother.
Oh my God.
Watch out. See that? Last doll, brother. I tip by that shop. I tip by the shop. Ready? What? Very tough man. What they say tough man, blood clot man. Ah.
There we go. Thank you so much.
Where the rest of them at?
Right there looking at pictures.
Huh? Bad man, I bush me come from now.
Coconut water.
That's I said where I come from. I pretend like I'm gonna be a youth now.
It's good.
It's good?
Mm-hmm. Or maybe I'm thirsty.
No, it's good.
It got benefits.
Yes.
Lots of benefits.
Yes, good for the coochie. It's good for the coochie. Let me put that in the vlog. So when you drink coconut water, it's good for the coochie. It lets the coochie get wetter and tighter, alright? Wetter and tighter coochie. You drink coconut.
Oh God, Lord. But we've had a good time. What y'all rate the experience today?
I rate the experience a 10 out of 10. It was great.
It was awesome. 10 out of 10. If you come to Jamaica, go to Blue Hole Tours.
I think.
12 out of 10. Dress and do everything. Why not?
Yes, it was great. I give it a good 13 out of 10. I post the videos because I did not take my camera out to vlog any, but we do got some videos, so I'm gonna insert them in there for y'all. We at KFC. You know it's only right to come to KFC in Jamaica. Oh, it's your extra biscuit. They ration. They only gave me one barbecue sauce. Oh. Me too. They got hot sauce?
No.
No hot sauce?
Did you get it spicy?
The biscuit?
It could be hotter.
Right. What'd you rate it?
It's okay. This chicken is the bomb.
The chicken is good.
This is the bomb. The fries. But
Yeah.
it's good.
Same here. It's different there. What he say? 27, 27. Let's make a song.
Here she go. Here she go. No, I'm not getting in the studio right now. Here she go.
Wristbands are cut. Cut.